Hi guys, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 17 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. At first, open the settings, then find and select Security, and now mark Biometrics and Password. Select Fingerprint now, and at first provide your lock screen pattern. If you don't have one yet, you will have to create it. Now just accept and agree all the conditions and mark Start. As you can see, your fingerprint sensor is located here on your home screen, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. You will be informed once it is done. Okay, so let me do it one more time, as there is some issue. So just recreate the action. Okay, so now it's done, and from now on you'll be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.